There goes my gym bag, ready to go for next week with the ISOFlex, baby. This is the best protein in my opinion. I believe this is the one from back in the days where Arnold and them were training using this stuff right here. So, and then I got my fitteds up there. That's the new one right there. Westworld, that's a dope show. And yeah, keep it crispy, baby. Look at all these t-shirts. Yeah, right. I need a new wardrobe, man. There's my gym side of the closet where I keep my gym stuff, obviously, and my fishing gear, and that's it. So that's what it is, y'all. Black on black, always looking crispy. Take 3. All right, can y'all see that good? All right, breakfast bang. See, out here in these parts of Canada, if you don't have sufficient nourishment in your body, you'll fucking die. California cheese on the eggs. My son made the pancakes. Well, he made the batter. He likes it to make it kind of thin, but it actually comes out pretty fluffy though. Because I make mine way too thick and then I get full fast. We get a combo right here. Yeah man, you don't know. Skin. Let me start imitating how these Toronto cats out be talking out here. Like, yo, welcome back to my channel still, you know what I'm saying? Hold up. And take a sip. This is half and half. Half double coffee, half French vanilla. And I got a fit Angie special because she loves donuts. Ooh. Illuminati. So yo, if I was to transform to a brethren out here, they'd be like, yo, welcome back to my channel still, you know what I'm saying? It's your man's, yo, everybody know who I am. Yo, I'm popping out here in these streets, B. You know what I'm saying? SnoopyEats 40 to the 8. Yo, you better ask somebody still. You know, so yo, today we gonna yo, B, yo, back off me, B. I'm trying to do it. Yo, I'm filming, brethren. What's going on, yo? Still, yo. So yo, yo, forgive me, man. My man's just bugging, B. Yo, we got strawberries still, you know, some pancakes. The man them, yo, whipped out something crispy, you know what I'm saying? Some eggs and cheese and some bacon still. Man, shout out to T.O., man. Every city has their own little flavor. Well, that failed. You know, let me try with the strawberry. Oh, now I know why. Let me tell you something. I was never one to eat fruit with my breakfast. I was like, oh, how do people do that? But this strawberry and pancakes, I should have got some whipped cream. But next time, now I know. Yo, fruits with breakfast. I mean, I love oranges and tangerines and stuff like that, but I never really had strawberries and all that stuff. So didn't do anything really too fancy this weekend. I do plan on going fishing soon, but usually for my Thursday, I'd be like, oh yeah, weekend's almost here. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and then get up and get ready. By the time I straighten up and then fix my daughter something to eat, joke around, laugh with them, and you know, probably watch some debates or video games or whatever with them, I just get tired. I'm just like, yo, I might dip out, hit the store, and YouTube and stuff. That's the whole, look, the sun's going down now. My whole day was just cooking, prepping, editing, learning though. You know, I was learning. I need to do a fruit ASMR. Strawberries are nice and sweet. So where I live, it's like pure farms everywhere. And then up the street that way, like 2 or 3 minute drive, is the beach. You could fish there, but I wouldn't catch and eat anything there. I have to drive up north a couple hours and get to the real fishing areas. I mean, bass and trout are bomb. I fell in love with perch. But what's some other good fish to catch and fry that taste good? whether it has a lot of bones or not, that's whatever. Doesn't matter. Just gotta fillet it properly. And I didn't season nothing. I just cooked the eggs like that, fluffy, threw 3 slices of cheese on it. The pancakes just cooked the regular, bacon just cooked the regular, and just strawberries on a plate. See, I want to do natural light. I will when I do barbecue lives and stuff like that, because I want to get rid of this yellow light. But I'm going to order some box lights. But I do want to do natural light, but it won't hit properly this way. I'd have to face that way in order to get the light properly. Because see how it turns yellow, then it goes white this way, right? Depending where I move. Excuse me. What's on tonight? I think I'm all caught up. I don't know if there's anything coming back. Ozark's supposed to come back? I don't remember. Stranger Things right around the corner. Walking Dead and Fear the Walking are in mid-season finale, I guess. Yep. I gotta get my lighting down. Anyway. Got a potluck tomorrow at work. I didn't cook nothing. I'm too busy, so I'm gonna grab a dozen donuts and coffee. Oh, look at that. I got maple syrup all over my bacon. Oh. I don't know if anybody's struggling with drinking out there, but I haven't had a drink, alcoholic beverage, that is, since last week, Friday or Saturday. I was in the store earlier today to go get this pancake mix. And I went to go grab some ice cream. Right next to the ice cream, to my right is all where they sell all the alcohol. So I just glanced over. I seen Corona, I seen Budweiser, I seen all the wine. I seen the Summersbees. And I was like, I don't need that shit. I don't want it. I said, I'm cool. I don't need it. Oh. Is strawberries and syrup a new thing now? It's good. Because for the ASMR heads right here. I wasn't crunchy enough. All right, y'all. Anyway, just a little quick little breakfast with y'all. Have a good, safe, productive work week. I love y'all. I'll be jumping in and out of lives here and there. All right. So I'm gonna go enjoy my coffee, my donut. That's it. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, bell, like, comment, share. Let's grow together as a team. Stay blessed. I love y'all. Peace out.